What are apprenticeships? Have you ever wondered how you can jumpstart your career while still in your teenage years? Let's talk about apprenticeships and how they can be a fantastic option for you. An apprenticeship is a program that combines paid work with learning specific skills on the job. This means you can earn money while gaining practical experience and training in a particular career field. Apprenticeships are designed to help you develop the skills and knowledge needed for a job through real-world work alongside experienced professionals. You will also receive formal instruction or classes related to your job. This setup is perfect for teenagers who are thinking about their career options. One of the best parts about apprenticeships is that you can earn while you learn. You receive a salary or wage during your apprenticeship, which helps you support yourself financially while gaining skills. And like many college paths, you usually do not have to take out loans to pay for your training. Another great aspect is the hands-on experience you gain. Apprenticeships focus on learning by doing. You work on real projects and tasks, which helps you build practical skills that employers want. This experience can be a big advantage when you start looking for a full-time job. Along with on-the-job learning, apprenticeships include classroom instruction or online courses. This formal training deepens your understanding of the trade or profession you are pursuing. When you complete an apprenticeship, you often earn a recognized certification or qualification. This certification proves your skills to employers and can improve your chances of getting a full-time job afterward. Most apprenticeships are funded by employers or government programs, so you do not pay for the training itself. This makes them a cost-effective option for teenagers. Many apprentices are even offered full-time jobs by the companies where they trained. Even if you do not get a job there, the experience and certification you gain make you more attractive to other employers. For high school students, there are youth apprenticeship programs that allow you to earn school credit while working and getting paid. These programs often last 1 or 2 years and include a mentor who guides you through learning the skills you need. Completing such a program can give you a strong foundation, whether you decide to enter the workforce immediately or continue your education. In summary, apprenticeships are a practical way for teenagers to start building a career. You can learn skills on the job, earn money, and gain qualifications that help open doors to future employment. They offer a real alternative to traditional college paths, especially if you prefer hands-on learning and want to avoid student debt.